If you've ever made an edit in Fotor and immediately wished you could go back, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to undo in Fotor using both the on-screen controls and the fastest keyboard shortcuts so you can fix mistakes without losing your progress. This is a super helpful skill whether you're editing photos, making graphics, or just experimenting with different looks. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides like this. Alright, let's jump into it. The first method is the easiest if you're using the Fotor editor visually. Look at the bottom left corner of your editor screen. You should see two arrow icons there. The left arrow is your undo button. When you click it, Fotor will step back one action at a time and reverse your most recent edit. So if you accidentally applied a filter, moved an object, changed text, or adjusted something you didn't mean to, just click that left arrow to go back one step. If you need to keep going backward, you can click it again to undo more actions one by one. Right next to it, you'll usually see the right arrow icon. That is the redo button. This is useful if you undo something and then realize you actually wanted that edit after all. Clicking the right arrow will restore the action you just reversed. So think of undo as stepping backward and redo as stepping forward again. Now let's talk about the faster method, especially if you're working on desktop and want to save time. Fotor supports keyboard shortcuts, and these are really useful once you get used to them. On a Mac, press Command plus Z to undo your last action. If you want to redo, press Command plus Shift plus Z. On Windows, use Ctrl plus Z to undo. And for redo, you can use Ctrl plus Y, or in some cases Ctrl plus Shift plus Z, depending on your setup. These shortcuts are great because they work instantly and let you keep editing without reaching for the mouse every time. If you're doing detailed editing, using shortcuts can make your workflow much smoother and much faster. A quick tip here, if you make several edits in a row and want to remove only the most recent one, undo is perfect for that. But if you go too far back, just use redo to bring those changes back. That gives you a lot more control while editing in Fotor. So to recap, if you want to undo in Fotor, you can either click the left arrow in the bottom left corner of the editor or use Command plus Z on Mac and Ctrl plus Z on Windows. And if you need to restore something, use the right arrow or the redo keyboard shortcut. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Fotor tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.